The moment you open another tab looking for a side hustle, you feel your resting heart rate rising. You are trading your remaining energy for pennies. The exhaustion of chasing fragmented tasks, while feeling your invisible skills go to waste. This is breaking your economic potential. You are searching for an exit. The market offers you transcription, surveys, and low-tier freelance work. These are not opportunities. They are traps designed to extract your remaining hours. You do not need another job that demands your constant presence. You need an economic system, a structure that works alongside your domestic reality. A stay-at-home mother manages logistics, conflict resolution, and resource allocation. The corporate world pays a premium for these abilities. Yet at home, they remain invisible. Society calls it parenting. Economics calls it operations management. The disparity between the value you create and the value you capture is massive. A side hustle trades time for money. An economic system trades packaged skills for revenue. This distinction dictates your financial future. Notice this pattern. You spend your morning organizing 3 separate schedules, anticipating bottlenecks, solving problems before they materialize. This is strategic foresight. Then, in the afternoon, you look for ways to earn extra money. You consider data entry. You degrade your own market value. The hidden skill that beats every side hustle is not coding or copywriting. It is the ability to architect order from chaos. We call this the quiet leverage matrix. It is the proprietary framework for turning domestic invisible labor into a home-based economic engine. The quiet leverage matrix does not require you to become an influencer. It does not demand constant social media presence. It requires observation. You begin by auditing your default actions. What is the complex problem you solve with ease every week? This is your raw material. Perhaps you have optimized household budgeting to a science, or you manage dietary restrictions and meal logistics with precise efficiency. These are not chores. They are systems, and systems can be packaged. They can be sold to those who lack your organizational architecture. Have you noticed how your time disappears before noon? Share your experience. To build the quiet leverage matrix, you must detach your identity from the act of doing. You must attach it to the act of designing. You transition from the laborer to the architect. The architect designs the house once. The laborers build it every day. When you operate inside the quiet leverage matrix, you stop reacting. You no longer feel that resting heart rate rising every time an unexpected bill arrives. You possess a mechanism for generating capital. It operates on your timeline. It respects the boundaries of your home life. Implementing this requires structural tools. A tactile time-blocking planner, like the architectural grade systems linked in the description below, shifts your focus. It moves you away from screen fatigue. It forces you to map your assets physically. Tangible planning creates psychological commitment. A side hustle demands that you adapt to its schedule. The quiet leverage matrix forces the market to adapt to yours. You structure your offerings asynchronously. You do not sell consulting calls that interrupt your family dinner. You sell comprehensive audits. You deliver solutions via recorded video or structured documents. The client receives the strategy. You retain your afternoon. This is asymmetric leverage. You apply effort once to create the system. The system delivers value repeatedly. The barrier to entry for a traditional side hustle is low. Therefore, the competition is infinite. The margins are non-existent. The barrier to entry for the quiet leverage matrix is cognitive. It requires translating your lived experience into a viable market framework. Most people refuse to do this thinking. They prefer the comfort of being told what to do. This is your advantage. You are already doing the complex thinking. You are simply giving it away for free. Consider the mechanics of project management. A mother coordinates contractors, budgets, and timelines for a home renovation while managing children. In a corporate environment, this role commands a premium salary. In the home economy, it is expected standard behavior. To monetize this, you abstract the process. You build a template, a guide, a consulting package for other families facing similar renovations. You are selling the shortcut. You are selling the avoidance of costly mistakes. You are selling peace of mind. This is the shift. The moment you stop looking for a job to do and start looking for a system to build, your economic reality changes. Income recalibration requires you to reject the noise. The noise tells you to take paid surveys. The noise tells you to clip coupons. The signal tells you to build an asset. An asset is anything that separates your time from your earning capacity. Your invisible skills are the foundation of this asset. They have been pressure tested in the most demanding environment possible. The home. You have learned to operate with limited resources. You manage sleep deprivation. You handle constant interruptions. You still deliver results. A traditional employee would collapse under this lack of structure. You thrive in it. This resilience is a monetizable trait. You must view yourself through an economic lens. You are the chief operating officer of a complex microeconomy. The side hustle industrial complex wants you to forget this. It wants you to feel small. It wants you to feel dependent. Dependence breeds compliance. When you are dependent on their platforms, you accept their terms. You accept their low wages. The soft power economy rejects this paradigm. It builds from the inside out. It values autonomy over immediate cash flow. It is commonly seen that the highest earners do not work the hardest. They work the smartest. They leverage existing momentum. Your current daily routine has massive momentum. You are already generating data. You are already testing solutions. The only missing piece is the capture mechanism. The funnel that takes your domestic solutions and presents them to a paying audience. Building this funnel does not happen overnight. It is a methodical process. It requires setting aside one focused hour a day. During this hour, you do not consume content. You do not scroll. You build the architecture of your future independence. You write the standard operating procedure for your household. You format it. You test its market viability. This is how a stay-at-home mother transitions from invisible laborer to digital architect. She reclaims her narrative. The fear of professional invisibility fades. It is replaced by the quiet confidence of a system builder. You no longer fear being left behind by a changing world. You are building a resilient structure that adapts to change. Observe the dynamics of the modern economy. Traditional employment is fracturing. The secure job is a historical artifact. The future belongs to those who own their systems. It belongs to those who can generate value without a corporate intermediary. You are positioned for this shift. Your time at home has not been a pause in your career. It has been an intensive training ground. You have developed the exact skills required for the decentralized economy. Self-direction, complex problem solving, empathy, resource management. These are not soft skills. They are survival skills. When you align these skills with the quiet leverage matrix, you create an unbreakable economic foundation. You stop trading your life for a side hustle. You start building a legacy of autonomy for your family. This requires patience. It requires deliberate action. It requires you to respect your own capabilities. Control the framework. Own the resulting system. You will never again experience that resting heart rate rising from financial vulnerability. If you value building income, from your time at home, comment leverage. Consider subscribing to protect your most valuable system, your time. This material is for educational and strategic purposes. It does not constitute medical or financial advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines.